Are you tired of seeing the system UI isn't responding message in your Samsung device? This usually happens because of software glitches, app conflicts, or too much system overload. It's important to fix this to keep your phone running smoothly without interruptions. Here's how you can quickly solve the problem. Let's get started. Solution 1. Clear system cache. First, open up the settings, then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Apps. Next, tap on 3 lines from the middle right. Now, turn on the Show System app, and then tap OK. Scroll down more, tap on Storage. Now tap Clear Cache from the below. After that, restart your phone. Solution 2. Wipe Cache Partition. First, power off your Samsung phone, then press and hold on the volume up and power buttons together until you see the Samsung Galaxy logo appear. Then your Android recovery mode will open. Now use the volume up and down button to scroll down and up, and tap the power button as OK. Now scroll down to find the Wipe Cache Partition using the volume down button. Then tap on the power button to OK. Then select Yes and tap OK. That's it. Now you have to reboot your system to back on. To do that, select Reboot System Now. Then tap OK. It will start to reboot. Wait for a while. Then enter your SIM card PIN code if it asks. Solution 3. Check Software Update. Go to Settings once again. Now scroll down. Then tap Software Update. Next, tap Download and Install. If you have any updates available, they will start downloading automatically. I hope this was useful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching.